people are staring at you, let them stare. Be like, yeah, I'm taking a picture of myself. You want to join? Hi everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm going to get right into the video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to take your own Instagram pictures. Well, it doesn't have to be for Instagram. It could be for anything. It could be for Facebook. It could be for self-portraits, stuff to put up in the house, anything. A lot of people has been asking me, who takes your pictures? How do you make them look like that? Where do you set up your phone? I'm going to be explaining all of that to you guys right now. The first thing is equipment. The first thing that you're going to need is a tripod. A tripod is very, very important. This is where you will place your phone. I got this on Amazon and I will place the link down below. This one actually goes super long. You could keep it short or you could have it long if you want to. And then you place your phone right here. This particular tripod is for phones, but they do sell ones for cameras, like if you have a Canon or a Nikon or any other camera. The tripod is very important because it's going to place your camera exactly where you want it to be so that you can have the perfect picture. Sometimes you try to set your phone on, like, I don't know, a wall or something. It's just not giving you the angle that you want. Well, the tripod will be your lifesaver. So the second thing that you need is a Bluetooth camera clicker. This is everything. It's going to make sure that you don't have to run to your camera every 2 seconds to put it on timer and then click the button and run in place where you want to go and then rush and like pose somewhere. This is gonna make sure that you don't need to do that. I will place the link down below for this also. I also got it on Amazon. And basically when you take your pictures, which I'll show you guys demonstrations, when you take pictures, you'll just place it in your hand and it's gonna click, click, click as you go, and it's gonna take the pictures on your phone and it connects to your phone with Bluetooth. Another thing that's really, really important to get the perfect picture is lighting. You guys, lighting is everything. I don't know how to stress that enough. You need to make sure you have the perfect lighting. Depending on how you want your picture to look, you're going to want the sun to be in front of you and you're gonna want to be kind of in a shadow. So if you're outside, you're going to want to maybe be under a tree or I don't know, anywhere that there's like shadow. Make sure that the sun is in front of you and not facing behind you, because that will make all the difference in your pictures. Lighting is your best friend. It will make your picture go from, oh, she's there, to, oh, she's there, you know? Anyways, okay, so one thing that I realized that not a lot of people talk about when taking pictures is confidence. You need confidence when you're taking your pictures. If you don't have confidence, you're gonna end up not taking the right pictures. Why? Because you're a bit too shy. Let me tell you, a lot of people will be looking at you when you're taking your pictures. Don't care about people looking at you or thinking that you're weird taking pictures of yourself. No, you are there for a reason. You look good. You want to take pictures of yourself. Either no one's available to take pictures for you, or the people who are available don't necessarily know how to take pictures of you. Be confident and know that you're there for a reason. And if people are staring at you, let them stare. Be like, yeah, I'm taking a picture of myself. You want to join? Yeah, so these are the essential things that you need. Now, let's get right to it. I don't want to talk too much. So here's a clip of me demonstrating how to take the pictures of yourself. Okay, so as you can see, I chose my backyard to take the pictures, and I am actually taking a garbage bin, yes, a garbage bin, to set up my tripod. I can actually make the tripod longer, but sometimes I'd rather just set it up on something to have more control over the pictures. And right now I'm just making sure that my Bluetooth clicker is working with the phone. And now I'm setting up the phone on the tripod, making sure that it's at the exact space and the exact spot that I want it to be. and then I will start posing. As I don't know if you can tell, but I have the Bluetooth clicker in my hand and I'm literally just clicking away. So I'm just adjusting it in my hand so that you don't see it in the pictures that well. But yeah, I'm literally just clicking away. All you have to do is click, click, click as you go. You don't have to wait to pause and actually pose to click. Just take pictures as you go. So now I'm just checking to see if I like the pictures, and I'm taking more. I don't know if you guys are anything like me, but it takes me about like 100 shots just to get the one good one. So now I'm still just checking, and yeah, so I'm just going back and taking more pictures, trying to make them look as natural as possible. And now that I've posed enough, I'm going to check to see if I got the one, which I did, and it looks like this. Alright, so I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope I helped you guys to know your angles, face the right lighting, place your tripod, use your clicker, click, click, click away. And if you're new, well, of course you're new to this channel because even I'm new to this channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below what you want to see me do, other videos that you want. And yeah, alright, so bye guys.